So to fix problem, click on search, type here device manager. Here it is, so click on it. When device manager window will open, you need to search here display adapters and expand it. So here is your graphic card driver. So right click on it, click on update driver. Here you need to be connected to internet, search automatically for drivers. So click on it, and in this case it's already installed. Okay, let's close the window. Close. Okay, so now click on the right click on your desktop, click on display settings. So you will see such window. Here you need to scroll down, click on advanced scaling settings. Here you should check if this option is switched on. So next what you should do, close window. Here scroll down till the end and click on advanced display settings. Click on it, and here you can see refresh rate. So you can select choose a refresh rate for your display. A higher rate provides smoother motion, but it also uses more power. So select rate, confirm changes. And next what you should do is click on display adapter properties. Here we should click on properties and second tab driver. So we need to update our driver, so click here and select browse my computer for drivers. So click this option, let me pick up from the list, select your driver. This one tick must be switched on because it will show only drivers what are possible to use with your PC. So select one and click on next. Close the window. After these changes you should restart your computer and everything should work. But in case if it's still not working, you can go back here and click on install device, and yes, click on install and restart your computer. And after restart it should ask you to install driver again. So this guys how it works like. Also, if you will go to display settings, here you can change screen size, yeah. So resolution, so you can select recommended or any other. This is guys how it works like. If any questions, please comment under this video, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.